This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change Hyundai Elantra wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. This prevents it from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blades. Locate the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the wiper arm hook. It should detach easily. Remember to hold the metal wiper arm carefully so it doesn't snap back and potentially damage your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield surface, ensuring it rests properly. Finally, repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your vehicle to complete the replacement. Once both new blades are installed, test them by using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. For an even cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.